This is Winter Weather Awareness Week. Please join the National Weather Service and the New York State Office of Emergency Management in promoting winter weather education, including safety. The topic for today is winter floods. Coastal storms can produce heavy rain and high winds that can last more than 12 hours. Heavy rain can result in flooding of rivers, streams, and low-lying and poor drainage areas. High winds combined with high astronomical tides can produce coastal or tidal flooding. Prolonged, steady onshore or east to northeast winds over a long distance or fetch can cause water to pile along the coast, a process known as tidal piling. The onshore winds are usually produced by a combination of high pressure to the north and low pressure to the south along the coast. Another winter problem for locations north and west of New York City is flooding caused by ice jams in rivers. As river flow increases, water levels rise. Since ice that covers the rivers is lighter than water, it will tend to float. Under the pressure of river currents, this floating ice can then break up and move downstream until it runs into an obstruction such as a bend, island, or wide shallow area. When this happens, the ice will often pile up into an ice jam, blocking the flow of the river and possibly resulting in water overflowing the banks and flooding areas adjacent to the river. The pressure of rising waters can also break the ice jam and release a sudden surge of water and ice downstream. The next statement at 6 a.m. Friday will cover watches, warnings and advisories. Here are the current conditions. As of 8 a.m. at Central Park, light rain was falling.